How to delete all Wi-Fi networks on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to proceed. On this page, you can view all your known networks. If you want to delete any network from here, then hold that network and swipe left. Then, tap on Delete. If you want to delete all the networks instead, then tap on Done at the top. And then, tap on Remove. Following these steps, you can easily delete all Wi-Fi networks on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.